Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Okay, so in front of me I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and that's the real phone, to be precise. I'm not using anything similar to it, it's the S25 FE. So, we have two methods how we can reset our device, and let me show you both of them. The first method is simply through the settings. That's the easiest way and also recommended way of performing a reset. To do it, we need to open up the settings. Once we are here, we need to scroll down until we find the general management. Scroll down again a little and click on reset. In here, the phone also suggests us to create a backup. I also highly recommend it. Thanks to that, even after the reset, we will be able to restore our data, because we need to be aware of that. Performing a reset will cause this, that all of our data will be erased from our device, so have that in mind. Okay, and now to reset, scroll down all the way and click on Factory Data Reset. In here you have a list of things that will be completely erased from your device, also including the following accounts on which you were logged in. And now scroll all the way down and click on the reset button. After that, your device will be turned off, then turned on again, and the next thing that will appear on the screen will be the setup process. So that's the first way to reset the device. We also have the second way. It's through the recovery mode, and this method is recommended, for example, basically when we cannot perform the first method, or in situations like, for example, when the screen is unresponsive, it's frozen, and when we cannot do anything on our home screen. To perform a reset using the recovery mode, we need to have an USB-C cable and also a computer. We need to connect our device into PC or laptop using this USB-C cable. So that's what I'm going to do. Simply connect it. Now we need to power off our device. Hold the power button and volume down button at the same time until the power menu launches, and click on power off. Okay, now to enter the recovery mode, we need to use the two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. I'll also connect my phone once again just to make sure that everything goes fine. Okay, and now we need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time, and we need to keep holding. Okay, keep holding. And now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys. Now we need to select wipe data / factory reset. Remember that also all of your data will be erased, and you can see that if your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information, email address and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. So that's the requirement, because it will appear in the setup process. The phone will want you to confirm that you are the owner, and you will have to enter the Google account that was associated with this phone. So have that in mind. Okay. Also, there are methods to bypass it. Also on our channels, you can find that videos. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, now select wipe data / factory reset. Confirm by clicking the power button. I don't know why it's in Russian in my case. I don't know why. But select the option down below. In English, it will be simply erase the data or wipe all data. I don't quite remember. But select the second option. Click the power button. You can see down below that data wipe has been completed. Now select reboot system now. Click the power button. And now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on, and we will have to set it up. We can also unplug our USB now. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.